What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here, and this is going to be an update on the Done For You campaign for Craigslist. So it is now officially up in the teamdeangelo.com site. So I know that took a lot longer than it was supposed to, guys, but like I said before, you can't just pull a campaign out of your ass and just throw it up there. It requires weeks of testing, landing page testing. Like I said, just a lot of testing is involved. So we made over $3,000 in the last 4 days. So that's super positive, guys. Even after all that testing, then we brought it over to the new account and stuff. We still only ended up making $585 that first day. Did some more tweaking, some more testing, then it literally almost doubled. So that was positive, over $1,000 that day. Yesterday we hit $907. Today so far we're on $545. So that's pretty much it, guys. For this train, there's no extra cost to the Team D'Angelo members or anything like that. Literally, it's in CPA level 1, so you don't even need a level 2 account to do this. This is gonna take time, though. I'm not even gonna lie. This is gonna take some hella effort on your end because you're gonna need to manage. You're gonna need to create websites. Like when I say an entire website, I don't mean like, oh, you're just gonna put up a landing page and then a button that says click here. You're gonna actually set up an entire landing page to do this, right? So it starts off right here after building funnel and tips. So right here is where it starts. So who are you targeting? So that's when we're going to be going over the people that you're actually looking for, because this method does not work against a lot. It doesn't work against a certain person. Okay. So this also requires cards, obviously. So you can't use like some. It depends on what card it is, but Craigslist is really cracking down on the prepaid cards. So that's what we're talking about, going over what cards you're going to need. And then unlimited posting on Craigslist. So that's what we're going to be talking about, how you can post basically an unlimited amount of times. But that's where it also comes in, where you're going to have to start managing. And just like I said, this is going to require a lot of work on your end. Like if you're not looking to work and you're like looking for like something where you post an ad like on Facebook and then you just send traffic to it and you don't have to worry about it or anything like that, this is not the method for you. You might as well just not even waste your time trying to do this. Your landing page alone for your simple $1 page or whatever, you're setting up your $1 page by itself would take you an hour minimum, just to set that page up alone. And then your housing offer, this is a completely different offer here or whatnot, but you can still run on Craigslist. The same thing with the car loans here. These are like separate offers by themselves. But even though that like it's a completely different offer, this page by itself still will take you about a good 30 minutes just to create this page here. So you can't half-ass any of this stuff, guys. Like it has to be set up correctly. I'm not talking about where you go and you set up a website. You set up a landing page and you have a nice picture in the background and then you just got bullet points. Oh, you need to follow this, 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 and this, and click here to get started, right? Like we're not talking about. We're talking about creating an entire fucking website about your product or your service. You're putting in work when it comes to this right here, guys. Okay. Same thing with your car one here. So again, lots of stuff that's gonna go into this super powerful training here, but it is work. Like I'm not gonna lie to you, like, oh, it's super easy. No, guys, you're gonna be putting fucking work for this. Like, you might as well have a fucking job amount of effort you're gonna be putting into this right here for a couple of hours every single day, depending on how you got it set up. You can't hire someone to run all of this stuff for you. Like once you got it all set up and stuff. It's going to be a lot easier, but if you don't want to do that part either, you can hire someone for you to do all of that. But I wouldn't recommend that because I go over all that in the training, but personally I wouldn't recommend doing it. I'd rather just have everything myself. But that is pretty much it, guys. I hope this stuff helped you guys out. Again, this isn't any hype video or anything like that. This is fucking work, guys. If you're looking for some fairy tale push button software, or even if you're looking for a Facebook method that's you're gonna make $1,000,000 tomorrow, or you're looking for even one where you just set up something and then you just completely forget about it. This is not the method for you guys. Like I said, Craigslist is a gold mine right now, but you are gonna have to dig for it. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.